Hello student, today I am going to teach you chapter 1 of English grammar of class 3 and your chapter name is kinds of sentence. Student, first of all we have to understood what is sentence. Okay? So we have to understood what is the exact definition of sentence. Okay? Student, the definition of sentence is a group of words that express a complete idea is called sentence. And whatever you have to remember, that is a sentence always begins with a capital letter. And next is a sentence end with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. And what is the example of sentence? That is a my name is Sarah. Okay, I have a car. You are my friend. This is the example of sentence. Now let's see how many kinds of sentence. Okay, types of sentence. What are the four types of sentences? First is declarative sentence, as we can say it statement also. And next is interrogative, and we can say it question also. Okay, and third is imperative sentence, and number 4 is exclamatory sentences. Okay, now first we will see what is a declarative sentence. Declarative sentences, these are the most important types of sentences. These sentences will tell you fact, opinion, and other statements. This type of sentence will end with a period or full stop. Okay, now let's see what is the example of declarative sentence. Examples of declarative sentences are the sky is blue, I am a third grade student, we will go to the movies tomorrow, he is a great reader, we have a program in the morning. Our class is having a party on Friday. Student, in all the sentences, you can see the sentence is all the sentences had started with a capital letter. Okay, and all the sentences in a full stop. Okay, now let's see interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentences ask a question. This type of sentence is usually asked directly to someone. This type of sentence end with a question mark. Now examples of interrogative sentences. Example of interrogative sentences are, can you repeat the question? Are you going to have races today? What is your favorite movie? How do you answer this question? Do you have an extra pencil? Student, you can see at the last here is a question mark. Okay? Now, what is imperative sentence? An imperative sentence gives a command or request. This type of sentence is used when you order a person to do something or ask a request or favor. This type of sentence in either with a period or question mark. Now let's see an example of imperative sentence. Example of imperative sentences are as command. If you are using this type of sentence as command, get the flag quickly. Keep off the grass. As requested, can you help me find my shoes? Please return to your seat. And next is exclamatory sentences. What is exclamatory sentences? This is a sentence that has very strong emotion or surprise. Exclamatory sentences express this intense feeling of a person. This type of sentence end with an exclamation point. Okay, now let's see example of exclamatory sentences. What a beautiful day. I am angry. You did a great job. I love to color up your room. You won the prize. This is a Use fail. Okay. Now let's identify the three types of sentence. I will speak the sentence and you will identify which type of sentences it is. I am a third grade teacher. Student, can you find out? Can you identify this type of which type of sentence it is? Okay, this is a declarative sentence. Okay, now next, identify this sentence also. Who is your teacher? This is a interrogative sentence. Next, identify this sentence also. Please deliver this to Mr. D. Guzman. Answer is imperative sentence. Identify this sentence. We won the prize. And answer is exclamatory sentence. Okay, student. Now your chapter is completed. I hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.